Wow, it's a good morning. The sun is bright today. I feel happy and fresh.
Good morning, Tom. Please wake up now. It is time for school today.
I feel very sleepy today. Can I sleep 5 more minutes?
No, Tom. Look at the clock now. We are already late for school.
Oh no, you are right. I will get up now. Please wait for me, Mia.
I will brush my teeth fast. Then I will wash my face. I need to hurry now. Oh no! The fridge is empty today. There is no milk and no eggs. What can we eat this morning? We need a quick breakfast now. I must find something fast.
I am ready now, Mia. What is for breakfast today? I feel very hungry.
There is no food inside today. The fridge is empty right now. We need a simple idea.
Yeah, a simple idea. Here, Mia. There is some bread left. We can make toast quickly.
Oh, toast! Yes, let's do it.
Okay,
That is a good idea, Tom. Toast is easy and fast. Let us make it together now. I will put bread inside here. Please wait a few minutes. The toast will be ready soon. I will prepare the table now. We need 2 plates and 2 cups. Everything will look nice. The toast is ready now. It smells very good today. I like warm toast in morning. I will add some butter here. It makes the toast soft and tasty. This looks very nice.
This breakfast is simple but good. I feel ready to eat now. Thank you for helping, Mia.
You're welcome, Tom. Tom, we worked together well today. Teamwork makes things easy.
yeah, you're right. It was fun.
This toast is very tasty. I enjoy this simple breakfast. It gives me good energy. So good. We need to leave very soon now. School will start in few minutes. Please finish quickly, Tom. The air feels cool this morning. I like walking to school with you. It makes me feel calm and happy. Look at the sky today, Mia. The clouds are soft and white. It looks like a very beautiful day. The weather is very nice today. Yes, the weather is very nice today. I feel good when the sky is bright. It gives me more energy. We are close to school now, Mia. I can see the gate from here. We arrived just on time today. I feel very relaxed now, Tom. We are not late anymore. This morning turned out very well for us. Yes, let us go inside now, Tom. We should not waste more time. Our class will start very soon. Tom, Mom and Dad will feel very happy today. We made our breakfast ourselves. We got ready and came to school on time.